Hey everyone, Strider here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be telling you how to make a random number guesser in Python. Let's get started. So firstly we want to start by importing random, and now let's add RNG. So random number is equals to, and let's add random dot rand integer. In our brackets, let's give it a range, so 1, 10. Now we want to print. No, now let's make if. Now let's make another one called guess. So guess is equals to integer input, and inside the input we want to keep this, enter your value. And now we want to make an if guess was equals to RNG. We want to print congrats, you guessed it, and do an else print formatted string. Sorry, it was in brackets. You want to keep RNG. Let's try it. Now let's take the number 3. Sorry, it is 7. Now let's try 6. Sorry, it is 2. Let's try 8. Sorry, it is 9. So the number randomly generates. And yeah, thank you.